Good morning, homeowners. We're here in Anaheim. We're refinishing a home here that was built in 1945. It has 1/2 inch thick by 2 inch wide white oak. We're doing some refinishing, sanding, and we're also pulling up, demoing some carpet. As you can see, there's some spots here that are in pretty bad shape. We have putty over here in between the wood and the nosing. Down this hallway we have the demoing for the carpet that we need to get up so that we can start. Yeah.
They get the camera close to the floor to show all the ugliness and how it's all going to be sanded out and made beautiful again. All this wore out area where it's unfinished.
All these deep scratches in the floor. We'll get rid of those. Sand it all nice and flat again. Putty up anything that needs the putty. Hopefully we can get this thing tabletop smooth. Make it look brand new.
And yeah, so the entryway and these wore out areas where it doesn't have finish on it. So they just let the floor go so long it didn't have any more finish.
All this dark?
Yeah, this big area right here where the table used to be.
Yeah, I showed that spot right here.
Okay.
Yeah, all the finish is worn out.
All that be sanded out. Beautiful.
All right, so give us a few hours and then we'll show an update.